back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how our cats are very special to us, especially this kind of foods. This is their favorite foods, especially this, the temptation one. Our cat love this. So they are very special for us. Every time I went for groceries, I have a bunch, dozens of canned food for them. So these are all of his favorite: turkey dinner, cheese dinner and gravy, with turkey and goblets and gravy, and of course this, they love all of this fish, tuna, and white fish sardines. Yeah, these are all of their favorites. Especially this, they have dry food too, so I can give them every time. These are very healthy cat food for the cats. You see, I am super active healthy. You see how it is. So I have a lot of stuff for this. This is for whole month for them. Yeah, so they are very special for us. So this is our cat Frankie. So I have some presents for them, like you see this new gravity water here that I bought this in Walmart. It's like, this is pretty easy to clean and refill and hassle-free hydration. So this is like 0.5 gallons. So this is the one that I bought for them today. So they love it. Cats. He's very fat. Hello, Frankie, baby. So this is it. So we love it. So these are all the colorful that I bought every time when I went to the grocery for our special cats. You see, they treat them like our babies because they are part of our family. Well, even our cows, I bought plastic bags of apples to give them fruits and carrots too. So they are very special for us because, you know, we love to take care of them, the animals. This is from April. See, she just keeps smelling and what it is. Hello, April. How are you doing, darling? Enjoy your food there. I know you like it.